You're killing me. Say it again.
Hepatoprotector para el hepatalépatico.
You can't even say it.
Because we have to take hepatoprotector espatalepática para el liver, for the liver. Hepatoprotector. Don't forget hepatoprotector.
What is the word of the day? What is the word of the day?
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is you. Don't forget to take hepatoprotector, and then you will be safe in your life. Okay, hepatoprotector.
The Easter Bunny has arrived in our backyard. That's a fat bunny. Look at that. I was looking at our fence because we did have a hole. I don't even know where this rabbit came from, how it got into our backyard.
They live under the deck.
Under which deck? But how did they reach over here?
And then they go, you never see when they run, when I bet you could chase in this window. See that they go, this right there, so? See where you see this light right here, so? You see right at the
Okay,
corner?
yeah.
Yeah, well, you see a hole under
There's a
there?
light there.
That's
Oh, the hole. Yeah, I see the hole.
okay. Well, that's where
Right there, there's a hole there.
And then,
Oh my gosh, are you serious?
yeah. You make a
Shoot.
that's where it's gonna go, they live under the
There's a
deck.
hole right there,
They
guys.
live under the-
Right
they know where to go
there.
when
This
summertime.
rabbit is still in our backyard. An hour and something, and the rabbit has not moved from its spot. Look. You see that? Hopefully you can see the rabbit. The rabbit has not moved. Can you see? Hopefully you can see and the sun's not up here. I cannot believe the rabbit is still there. I was thinking maybe pregnant, about to give birth, but no, this rabbit is chilling. Just chilling.